Hey everyone, today we're showing you how to make pickled ingredients that you can use in a shawarma. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos. So for the first ingredient, we're showing you how to make pickled beetroot. So for this, you will need a cutting board, 1 tablespoon of salt, a jar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, a knife, a peeler, and beets. We're going to start off by peeling the beetroot with a peeler, or if you want, you can also use a knife. It's up to you. So once you have peeled all your beets, you can go ahead and cut them like so. Now you're just going to mix together your water and vinegar. And with this mixture, you're going to want to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes to boil it. So go ahead and take your beets and put them in the jar, followed by salt and your water vinegar mixture. So the next pickled ingredient we're going to show you is carrots, for which you will need a cutting board, 1 cup water, a jar, 1 cup vinegar, carrots, 1 tablespoon of salt, and a knife. Go ahead and cut your carrots into strips like so. Mix together the water and vinegar just as we did before and put it in the microwave and boil it for 4 minutes. And go ahead and just put all your ingredients into the jar just like we did with the beets. And for the third and final ingredient, we are showing you how to make pickled cucumbers. It's basically the exact same thing. The only difference is you're using cucumbers instead of carrots and beetroot. For this, it's a better idea to use baby cucumbers because they have a better flavor to them, but we decided to use normal cucumbers because it's all we had at the moment. As you can see, all 3 of our pickled ingredients are ready. Now, although all of these have similar steps, they all take their own time to make. The cucumbers need at least 5 days to be done, the carrots need at least 15 days, and the beetroot needs at least 20 days. But after these days, all the ingredients should be ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and press that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to watch our video that is coming out next week where we will show you how to use these pickled ingredients inside a shawarma. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.